progress really does compound. And one day you wake up and like, wow, it's amazing how far I've come. We lost $4 billion.
$4 billion.
Yeah, and things just kept getting worse. We were also sued. When you lose a lot of money, we didn't get sued by our investors, but we got sued by a shareholder because when the stock price goes down, shareholders sue. We'd done nothing wrong other than make a big mistake, but so you have litigation. Your investors are taking their money out. I'm in the middle of a divorce. The divorce starts to proceed. My ex-wife's lawyer's expectations of what my net worth was about 3 times what it actually was, and it was going lower. Right in the middle of this. And I learned this method for dealing with these kind of moments, which is you just make a little progress every day. So today, I'm going to wake up, I'm going to make progress. I'll make progress in the litigation, I'll make progress in the portfolio, I'll make progress with my life, and progress compounds, a bit like money compounds. You don't see a lot of progress in the first few weeks, but like 30 days in, like, oh, okay. You can't look up at the mountaintop where you used to be, because then you'll give up, right? But you just make step by step by step, and then 90 days in, you're like, okay, I was way down there. Progress, and progress really does compound, and one day you wake up and like, wow, it's amazing how far I've come.